Hello kids, welcome to our English class. Children, today we all will read new phrases or short sentences. Isn't it so exciting? Yes? Great. So are we ready? Very good, children. Let us read aloud. The first picture is of a cot. Bob is in a cot. Let's read again. Bob is in a cot. Now, see the another picture. You know this word, children? Yes, you are right. The rabbit. Rabbit. The rabbit hops. The rabbit hops. Ooh, who is sitting here? On a log. It's a dog. A dog is on a log. A dog is on a log. Are we all able to read it nicely with ma'am? Yes? Okay. So shall we move further? Right? Okay. Now look here. The box. The box has a dot. Let's read it together. The box has a dot. Now look here. The first letter is I. In this picture, we are reading I. Now, when we add P to lay, it becomes play. I play with top. I play with top. Repeat after me. I play with top. Now, let's look at the last picture. Bob has a dog. Bob has a dog. Bob has a dog. Well done, children. Very good. Clap for yourself for being so good and nice in reading it together. Now, keep on revising and reading these sentences. I will see you in the next class.